4?
Yeah.
We can try and see if we can get 4 on there.
Howdy guys, don't know if you can hear me or not. The point of this whole live cast slash video thing is to kind of show you guys what hackerspaces are about, and this is a hack night. And what it's supposed to be about is Jameco is an electronics company, and they provided a bunch of different electronics. And Instructables is also kind of sponsoring this. And the point is to take the electronics that Jameco, I think I spelled it wrong. There's no N in it. Jameco has sent us and make something out of it, and then post an Instructable on what we've made. And let me show you guys what we are trying to accomplish.
So let's make one. So Joe, why don't you make 2 of them?
So what we've got here, this is eventually going to be a light up keychains to kind of notify you in the dark where your keys are. So we have a place for the key, a place for the battery, and a place for the light. So don't know what that was in the background. So we're going to use a laser cutter to actually cut these. Hopefully I can show you guys what the laser cutter is. What it's doing. We'll see if I can move my computer over there. And then we have a battery, LED, put it together. And it's very simple, but the point is not to get too complex with this. A bunch of different people are going to be trying these projects. But anyway, that's the point of this video cast. And I wanted to try something before we continue. I'm going to see if I can switch to a different camera. Apparently it looks like it. You can see the, that is the acrylic there that we're going to be cutting, showing the plans on the computer, which is just a render of this sort of piece that I showed you back. This right here. So yeah, then hopefully I can switch off. I'm going to be trying to document this at the same time, so I've got my trusty Canon EOS 60D. And these will be posted on Instructables, so I'll share those links as well. Anyway, if you guys get bored of this, it's okay, you don't have to watch. This is mainly just for those that are curious. If you are one of those curious ones, then hopefully you'll find this useful. If not, have a wonderful evening. Alright, so I'm going to switch to the other camera, and I'll see how far I can bring it. You guys will.
Make it easy, because then we know we can fit this forward. So you'll do 2, right? Daniel will do 1.
That sounds good.
You already know. So that's what
So am I slow?
No. Here's what the first person allows the other people to watch. So there's no excuses for you, Daniel.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so you know, it's really tooling it to do what you
Wow.
want to do.
That's great. I'm going to try and move
Because we're
the
doing
camera.
like that's how it doesn't usually. It depends on how much you're going to go. I would say push it just fine. It's okay with this. Because you want that.
Alright guys, what I'm going to try to do is move the camera so you can see this, see that big blue box over there? That is the laser cutter. That thing's pretty cool. So I really want to show you guys that. So I've switched to this camera so I can move you all over there. Come along with me.
Alright, so then what do you do?
Make sure speed is top.
Actually, no. So calibrate.
But we did that already, right?
But I would like you to do it because we
Okay.
did it. Daniel did it, right?
I don't know if that was.
I did it once.
Calibrated, right?
Wait, that wasn't calibration, but I did. Yes, that was I.
And you do that.
Yes. Okay, so Josh, you're showing how to go. So Celeste, come on over here, and then you can see right here.
This is the holding screw that allows you to adjust the height. You loosen it with left turn. All the cats. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, you don't have to loosen them all. Yeah, so enough so they oh, let you touch it. So lift it up to the point where you can situate that on top of it. And just let it sit there, and then tighten it up again. And then you're able to remove that
Just
calibration.
right?
Tighten up here. You don't have to over tighten it, just so that it won't fall down when it's moving. And then close the lid and do that little drop action. Yep, there we go. That's calibrated. Its position is at the correct position.
Yeah. So then start, right?
And if you're unsure of where it's going to go, you can of course run the test run order, that blue button there, and we can see what happens. So you see it doesn't go off the side. That's really good. And that's good. It has an inch border on both sides too. We're ready. We can press start and go.
There is cow cake in front. In case anyone is not aware of this, there is yellow cake with chocolate.
Oh yeah, that's why I brought cake.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's right. Oh, I see.
So that is the laser cutter. It's pretty cool. It's warming up right now. You can't really see the screen, but the screen is essentially showing what we're trying to cut. It's controlling the laser cutter, and we had to warm it up. That's what all that talk was about, to get it calibrated.
If you focus in the circle as it completes, you should be able to see the circle fall down when the final cut is around.
Oh yes, it started already. It started since you hit start.
Yeah. And it's about to fall. Oh, it didn't.
Oh.
So it's not so dramatic this time.
You overhyped it.
Yeah,
What a
we did
letdown.
the first cut on the last.
I'm actually not sure. I'm hoping that it cut all the way through.
It's going fast.
Oh no, this is on speed 5 out of 100.
It can go much, much faster.
Differently, it almost you could see
But
the
when
red
it was
on the
making the
screen,
line,
but we
that you were
can't
making that line.
Yeah, that was
Oh,
a
that-
test
that
case.
Let's see if I can get.
That was just because it was a
now I can't see it.
a border
Maybe
test.
It was
Okay.
for reflection.
What are the absolute corners?
It'd be cool
of
to
the
see
cutting
the
area.
laser.
Okay.
And then normally on a non-clear
Because they said it's
surface, you'll see
infrared,
the
right?
laser on the surface, so you can see, uh-oh, it just crossed into another piece of art I created.
Okay, I see.
Here, though, man, it's transparent.
Okay.
How's it going?
It's
Pretty
going.
good so far.
Yeah, it's doing it.
It may not be cut all the way through. Oh, it's a
Different piece of plastic, yeah.
It is moving too.
They look the same thickness, but might have different optical properties.
If you look across the back here,
That's a little
you can
tight.
see the laser.
Seems like
It's purple.
You could probably run it,
Since they're
since
going
it's
through a
mostly
tube
cut
there.
all the way through, right? You could probably run it at 10.
But if you do it 5 again, will it go deeper? It'll just do what it did.
It's just going to go slower. I mean, basically, if the laser hits the
But
metal,
again, what we're trying to
metal
cut out
surface
is
there,
these
it's
right
first.
here. I'll show you.
So-
And
so
so the
speed
circle is to hold the coin battery. And then the little oval there is
the speed
to
determines
clip
the-
your keys on.
but the
And
material
then
also determines how deep is
light
that
just,
thin part.
we're going to be using this conductive tape, actually, just like the sticker copper, to
Like
connect.
if we cut halfway through
the
material
LED
on top, if we want to do 5,
Eventually, what we're going to be
75%,
doing is
probably do 10.
adding some braille to it, so
I don't see
people
it
can
all sealed
read
on the bottom.
that are blind. They can read and tell what keys that they're grabbing a hold of. So it's going to be a multifunction keychain. A light to notify it if you have sight. If you don't have sight, braille so you can tell which keys that you're grabbing onto. All right, so we're going to go back to laser cutter.
could it be that this piece of glass, this piece of material is larger than that piece that y'all had?
It could be. I shouldn't touch it yet.
pounds.
It could be that the material has like something about it that we can't see.
It's different.
Yeah, it could be absorbing more energy. Or reflecting more energy.
Yeah.
Or letting more energy pass through or something, yeah. It's close.
So the second one, should I do 5 again? Racing.
You should try to 10. I think it's 75 or at least 90% cut through. If you do that 10, that last 10%, just go.
Alright, so it's
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
this is. We're gonna do it again.
It's almost.
and then what's the setting?
5 again.
It's on 5.
Okay. And was it that the first time?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that was a different piece. We were thinking maybe something
Gotcha.
slightly different.
And
Should
it,
have chose 4.5 this time.
and sometimes some
Does
acrylic
it do
you need
halves?
2 passes. So see here where it says passes,
Yeah.
you can just up it to 2 and then it'll automatically 2 passes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you know that already. So that's what I recommend, is not to take a chance.
Or should we just, for the next one, slow it down to 3 or 4?
It really depends on the acrylic, and because we're getting scrap, we don't know the properties of it automatically when we buy it fresh from the dealer.
Yeah.
So I always say just 2 passes won't hurt. It
Okay.
doesn't necessarily crack it or make.
And if it cuts away the first pass, then I'll stop it.
Yes, and the way that we stop it is, I'm gonna show you. Let me show you this real quick, guys. I'm gonna show you the pause. So here it's just like a player. So see that? Just like on a tape player. And I'm saying to myself, what a tape player. Yes.
What is this tape player you speak of?
Yes. That's what Josh actually said to me when we were getting to know each other. He was like, what is this TiVo of which you speak?
Oh, okay. I was going to say, yeah.
Yeah. And someone just said, what is this tape player of which you speak of? So I told him about the TiVo. Right. So see the pause? Now look, it stopped because you paused it just like you would, right? So don't hit stop because then you have to start all over again. But all you have to do is hit pause again, and it'll pick up straight left off. So let's say somebody comes in, or you take a phone call, or you just want to make sure everything is right, but you don't want it to start all over again. Hit pause, check everything. The only difference is when you hit pause, you can't change those powers better. Only change them once you stop to start all over.
Oh, and that's the other important thing. Whenever you're operating this machine, you told us always stand by it. Don't ever leave the room when it's running.
Yes, and I break that all the time because I'm busy. But I shouldn't because it's bad practice.
Hey, it should have said something in the spirit.
Okay, so cut it short. Thank you very much.
And I'm thinking we
It's going to the second
Right,
thing.
the second.
It looks like I see smoke on it.
Yeah. It did not go through. You're right.
So you see, you can kind of tell if you went in and pressed it. I'm just gonna do that, guys.
Just like
Open it. This is what I was showing you. Do this very slightly, and if it doesn't automatically from the slightest touch,
Falls down.
so then you lift and you let this go. I hate that because it moves the laser light.
Yeah.
And then go ahead and do a second pass. So you can
There's
do,
a-
if you do,
there's a lip on the back that attaches against
you
the
do
metal.
another pass.
Oh.
There's something wrong with the metal.
Okay.
If this were on a higher thing,
Alright, so we are going through all the different
what this needs to be is has a line.
steps on how to run the laser cutter, because that's kind of an integral part of this. Laser cutters are fun to learn anyway.
So don't do that.
Let me set this down. You guys are wondering what my setup is. Currently I'm using just a little webcam. It's a Microsoft HD webcam, and I'm viewing it on my computer. Prepared with that as a file. Okay, there we go. You're now watching what I'm watching.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's good. I heard it crack.
And then I can switch from this camera to the other camera. And I apologize for shaking this. No big steady cams like this. But I'm going to see if I can set this up.
This your first day? Yeah.
I've actually stopped it early.
I'm adjusting the tripod here.
Because now I've got to be customized.
Hard to do it with one hand though.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, no, that's good. Well, it's-
guys doing?
Yeah, that's ahead of all of us.
What should
She finishes.
What?
okay.
They have a tester.
Wow.
Now it's time
That one
to
is
take
actually
pictures.
really the most fascinating.
Oh,
Well,
it is.
actually, I'm starting to think that this.
Robot. That was easy. I told him I could do that. I could do it, but I didn't do it.
I think that's money.
Just let them
Yeah. This is a little bit more interesting. Thanks.
That's got the interchangeable lenses.
Yeah, right. It's very cool. You can see like the long edges, there's a bit of warble to it. It's because either one of two things. The material isn't perfectly flat against the height. As it goes up. So the lens is actually a cone. It actually looks like this. So the bigger it is, like if the material's up, it gives a larger cutting area. And then as you go down, it's focused to a tinier point, hotter point. And also, it could be that there's variations in the surface of this that or there could be fingerprints on it that resist lasers. Absorb light.
It's dirty.
Yeah, it's really scratchy.
Yeah. You should have wiped it off.
Yeah, just this acetone. Smooth it out.
So with the static electricity she was talking about,
Right.
does that not mess up the?
It's possible that our static, like I touched that USB port, that might have burnt the front port circuit. We weren't able to use any of the power on buttons to turn back on, even though there's a green light on in the top.
So how do you turn it on?
And it works again. So I think they replaced that with power button.
So here's another thing that could happen too, is you could do 10% speed. I mean, it's all right to be the same way.
I'll try that on my next one.
Alright. And then the cool part, see, so that's even with the base, we could literally take this, and if we have a small enough font, position it with the laser and do a hold, and then do it. Yes, that is fun. Nothing. Yeah, so would you like to have that? So Celeste makes. Yes, maybe you're.
Oh, are those semi-precious stones?
Shells. And shells and
Oh my gosh.
I wear these all the time.
Those are massive crazy chicken.
So how much does it cost to run this electricity-wise on this stuff? What event?
Quite a bit. I can tell you that to run faster, our bills are. I mean, considering that we've been here since March, I know that also costs everything. But you know what? It's not a lot to run this. This is actually my house. And we but the large building
Yes.
that has to be on it.
Yeah.
All right, so still see how it's still and in this one,
Yeah.
you know why? So, I did it too early.
But that doesn't stop it from moving things, it's just moving.
Okay, Hawk, go ahead. No. It's actually
And do I,
okay. If
do I
it
pop
was,
it out first or lift up the
you can do either way, whatever
Yeah.
works for you. So you could lift it up and look to the side. Now, if this were glass, oh my gosh. Yeah, so sometimes with acrylic, don't be fooled with the sticks because it's just, you need to pop it out.
Melt it back to the sun.
Yeah,
Uh,
so just go, yeah, just be a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna go fast.
Look how little.
Yeah, I figured the money.
All right. So then you can reposition it.
For what?
And then in the meantime, Josh, you could be working on the next step.
The braille. Okay.
Start. Yeah. So getting the methods element first, and then over here. I would say so for safety. Sometimes I'll do it really close to you. But remember that if you get it off, then you get your tongues.
So we already have all the values in there.
I believe so. Yeah, toothbrush motor, or a bristle block motor. It's for myself. I just had it like running parallel.
Just to be safe, even if it's the same material.
But the same piece, you're fine.
Alright, so that's 17.
So, we tried to see the 10 and 2 passes, you think?
I would say so. What do you think?
Second.
Based on what you just did.
Well, we have two things to do. Michelle said we need to do. We need to figure out something about the conductivity, like what something clever to do with this copper.
It could, yeah, or you can see if
Okay, well, I'll try.
Did before.
okay.
It's doing all right. So, yeah.
Really?
Our idea was we
But are you going to take it out?
did that right. Something about the conductivity to take this. And then application of the braille, the final cut material to this. So I think what we have to do now is you can take a look at this and see if you can brainstorm an idea for. Yeah, we might be able to just cover the entire thing with copper tape here and there, and that would seal it.
Yeah, so keep that in
And then
mind.
with that seal of the LED deep enough into that cavity there. Those reference.
Yeah, I can see.
Questions.
No, we need
Base one design base open another one. So look, see this? So the housing for your compost tester, these are the wires that we can do two-part housing and the wires would lay on this just so it's tight enough that we pull it out. This is your tester, and it won't.
It's this right there.
Start thinking about what that could be.
It's messed up.
But go take a look at the compost tester because he has to go to another level.
Yes. But you can't do that.
So I think it did 2 passes back to back on that circle, and it didn't fall through.
Until maybe you touch it.
So it may have to do 5.
Yeah, so we're gonna.
No, so look,
With
you
this
can do this. Yeah, see what it does with the oval.
Okay.
It's
But
on.
at this point, instead of letting it go through and it doesn't cut, stop it.
Okay.
Get it down to 1. And it's cutting actually.
Okay,
And
that's
then
fine.
now go back down to 5 to see how that little bit of speed makes such a difference.
Yeah.
And
Did
then
you
do
guys
2
do this in the
passes.
compost?
Yeah, and you should be fine.
Awesome. Yes.
Because it did it so fast, it didn't do it.
That's it.
But
And
we
that's-
thought with the 2 passes it would have been.
Yes, but it's not.
See, I could
Yeah.
have told you what to do, but now you really understand why it didn't do it. And that is so
It really went fast.
It's so crazy.
Now it's going through. Look how the smoke is
I
under there.
don't know why, but based on what I showed you before, I
I know
Look
why.
at this.
I can't explain it to you, but I know.
So remember when I was talking about this? So Steve, remember I was talking about when we draw, right? Or when we cut something, it's we go, the faster we go, the lighter.
The lighter the pressure, gotcha.
Right? So even if I do this twice, even a little lighter, it's not going to be as much.
Yes.
And I guarantee you,
Yeah.
the second pass, look, I'm cutting through this paper.
Yeah.
That's exactly what's happening.
Yeah, I see that. Slicer.
Yeah, so it's all in through. Yeah.
That's the concept.
Yeah.
That's the concept. That's why I said I knew what happened.
And your pen worked like the draw binder. And pen worked like the
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going to shake
You
it
meant
up
to
a
do
little
that,
bit.
right?
I'm going to show you an Arduino class. So it's part of this hack night as well. So you guys have had a lot of the laser cutter. We're going to continue doing that. And while that's going on,
Well,
I'll take you guys
yeah, just something.
to the Arduino.
If you had a different type of recorder, it might break.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's what you need is like one person like Kevin to then very help.
Yeah.
Did you just go outside?
There's something
Yeah, I
else
went
that I have
outside.
to tell you.
I don't
Something about the design and
Oh yeah. So these. It acts like a computer. So when it reaches, if you hook it up to other things, when it reaches a certain temperature, then it can, and if it's programmed right, then you can start doing other things. You can start playing music. You can start making a display, which is what we're doing.
it's a sensor.
Yes, it is a sensor.
So if the room gets too hot, we can have it start playing music.
Yes,
That'd
it
be a
can.
great application,
Oh
right?
yes, yes, that would be awesome. So there are 6 main components. It's a breadboard, which is just basically just a cable, just wires put together.
Yeah.
These
They run.
horizontal.
Yes, good
The
job.
horizontal. These horizontal wires these all are connected together. These are connected together. And then the vertical ones on the sides. The positive, all the positive lines are connected together, all the negative lines are connected together, but you cannot connect these two together. So, this is a breadboard. It's pretty simple. This is the Arduino, which is basically the brain of it all. It helps it run and it do what it's supposed to do. And it be what it's supposed to be. And
It's the brain.
it's the
Be
brain.
all
It's the
that you
brain. That's
can
all you
be.
can say.
It's great.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And there's the LED light, which is going to be the pretty flashy thingy that is going to tell you that your compost is at the right temperature. And you're going to celebrate. And it
By
has,
playing music.
Yay! And it has 2 sides. One is a positive, one is a negative. The longer one is a positive, the shorter one is a negative. That's important to remember. And it blinks very faintly, so even if you think it's not blinking, probably
It may be blinking.
magnifying glass is. It may be blinking. And we're trying. There's all these wires that connect things to things, and they're nice. And pretty. They
I
have
love
different
those.
colors. Yay! So you could just go ahead and grab something. There's not really a specific number.
Not for this one.
There's longer ones and shorter ones. It's funny. And then there's the resistors. These pretty things. They slow down the current of it all. So
Resist.
yes, they resist. Thank you. Thank you.
I know
They slow down and resist. And there are two kinds that we are using. There are ultimate kinds, but all kinds of kinds. But there are two kinds that we're using. There is the 100 ohm, and ohm is the way that we measure it. And it can also be used as the letter, Greek letter omega. The 100 ohm.
Or a great way to meditate.
The way you can tell it's 100 ohm is because it's brown, black, brown. There's a chart that I'm not going to get out because it involves math. Yay! Okay. I'm on summer break. Okay.
Amen.
And then this is the 10,000 ohm resistor, and you can tell it's 10,000 because it is brown, black, orange.
Okay.
So the orange is the pretty bright orange is 10,000, and then the other one is 100. It's not that bright. Yeah, that's it. And you're also going to need rubber bands, but you can see that.
I didn't get the temperature.
Oh, yes, I did not hand that out. This is the temperature.
Tempest
Thermistor.
Thermistor.
Ah.
Thank you. You are so very kind.
Short for thermal resistor.
Thermistor, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just something I need from computers.
Oh, that's actually.
There's a
this
thermistor. Is there a thermoses as well?
Because this is a type of resistor.
Cool. Oh, it has the bands on it, yeah.
That's cool.
I didn't know that.
Like.
Wow.
And
This is what I learned today.
Yay! Okay, so you're gonna set it up, and since you know about computers, you might be able to understand that.
Oh, a little bit.
It's easy for me to understand, but I learned this all yesterday, which is funny because I thought I was gonna die when I saw that. I said, "Wow,
That's a code, yeah.
I'm gonna electrocute myself." Okay, but it's pretty easy. That just means that 5 volts, which you can find on the website.
I'm
Okay, the
focusing
5
on the
volts,
website.
which you can find on the Arduino, is just 5V, which is on that side. Go connect to the thermistor.
Oh, this camera's
So what you
doing
have to
so
do
well.
is take this pretty and put it in on the sides.
Okay.
And connect that to one of the sides of the thermistor.
Just
But
like
it goes this way. So
so
you gotta.
horizontal?
Oh, that's right. No,
Oh,
this
wait, okay, it goes like in rows.
it goes
okay.
in rows. Yes.
So row 21 in this case. Okay.
So you got
5 volts.
5 volt, which is this 5V.
Oh, wait, that's the correct one, right? Third one down?
Yes. Yes.
You should
It's hard
rotate
to
your
tell.
That makes more sense.
It's hard to tell.
Connect this. I would go with. I like going with the center. I'll go with number 9.
And so you're going to take your thermistor and you're going to put it right here.
Does it matter which way the thermistor is facing?
Yes.
Which?
Well, yes, because you need to connect other parts to this side of the thermistor.
Well, I mean, which
Is it like
leg
the LED?
goes in?
Yes, it's pretty much like that. It's like in
But is it like the LED where it has a positive side? And
No.
a negative side?
Okay.
no resistor have a positive side.
Good answer. Good answer.
That's good.
I learned this all yesterday. It's crazy.
I know.
Other side of the thermistor connects to the A1 pin. The A1 pin is also on the It's got all the pretty little A's. See it?
They make good steak sauce as well. All right. 1, 2.
That's a 0.
What would I do without you? And that goes to the other end of the thermistor.
Yes.
Cheer.
Just like that.
Okay.
And then the other side, and then you're gonna also do some tricky. You're also gonna connect the 10,000 ohm, which is a pretty orange
Bright
red
orange.
one, to the same side you connected the A1.
Okay. I'm just going to put this far way down there since it has such a wide. Oh my goodness.
Well, actually, you want it to be a little closer.
Oh really? Okay. All right.
Okay. There. And this can go in there, correct?
Yep. And that side of the 10,000 ohm will go to ground. The easy way to put everything in ground, because we're going to put a lot in the ground, is take a long.
Alright.
That counts. Okay. Take a long wire and just connect ground to a positive or negative. It doesn't.
Ground on this thing?
Yes. It just says G and B.
There's two GNDs.
Or actually
Holy
three
crap.
G and B.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Connect it to one of these.
It's positive or negative. So
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Because the vertical, since the verticals are all interconnected,
Yeah.
you can now connect any wire to here, you connect to that, and it'll be in ground.
Okay, perfect.
And that makes everything simpler. So just connect the other side of the 10,000 ohms to ground. Once you finish it.
I have to take pictures. I love taking pictures.
Okay. I take pictures too. That's my mom's camera. I steal it.
Alright, so mine's in ground, right?
No. It is. Wait, here. See, that's in the ground. You gotta connect the 10,000 ohms.
I totally missed that part.
So you take.
To ground.
No, you take. You already connected ground to this side. So you can connect it anywhere to this side.
Oh, I see. I need one more.
To this side. And it can be in ground.
From the 10,000 ohm resistor to ground.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to use
See,
tiny.
that's just like that.
Tiny.
Switch colors.
Chow.
I think that is this
Yep.
part of the Jameco?
Just like that. What?
Are these part of the Jameco?
I think so. Because this
Wonderful.
Jameco is built like, right?
Yeah.
Josh?
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we
now we have to do the 12 pin. Now we're going to do the LED side.
Okay.
You can do it on the same side as this one, but I like to do it simpler because all the wires get just ends up like that.
Oh,
basically.
right.
And so you probably want to do it on this side. The LED side. The LED side. Because
Because there's more
then,
space.
yeah, because there's more space, and then you can tell
Okay.
which side the thermistor is on, which side the
Yeah.
LED is on.
So we need another long one here.
And keep and
So this is the thing right here.
be able to be able to tell which one is long from long.
Right.
I always do it by mending it.
Oh,
Then
look at you.
this looks like
See, that is why you get paid the big bucks.
Yeah.
I only get paid $10. Okay.
Like I said, big bucks.
It ended up
What
being
did you
so
do to my
short.
LED?
I don't know. I will find out in a second.
It is the pretty.
I'm
It is the
so-
bestest LED ever.
I'm so sorry. That's better way of ending
Okay.
it. Okay.
And which side is the positive and which side is the negative again? The long side?
The long side is positive.
Okay.
And I like to bend
Are
the
you
long side
positive?
because it just
Yeah.
it's just
So my negative is straight up and down, positive is down.
yes. Positive goes. Well, see, you're already a step ahead. Okay, now you got to connect the positive side to the 12 pin here.
Okay.
Use a long wire.
Yeah. Oh, I see one.
You got
No.
Nope.
Do this. You know what? I'll use this.
There we go.
Round 13, 12. To the positive. You made the bendy side the
Yeah.
positive?
And it's like-
Thank you so much.
And let's see. Now you're connected to the 100 ohm resistor, which is the other resistor we have.
So the other
The
end.
other side.
Comes off the
negative side. What you doing? What you doing there?
Is this the negative side?
Yeah, that's the negative side, but you're just gonna connect with the resistor.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you said connect that to the resistor.
Oh.
Whoopsie
100
doodles. Whoopsie scroodles. All right. You know what? What is a good way to do this? I'm going to connect that there. This is going to be, look what I did.
You may need a new resistor.
Jeez
And
Louise.
he can read it because he almost got a PhD in nanoscience.
What?
Well,
Can you read it?
almost.
That's why you get paid the big bucks.
Yeah. European style.
Yeah.
I think European looks just a little bit better for resistor.
Okay, that's what I did.
Looks like a rectangle. You could draw all these inside the rectangle.
That is what
So
I did, and
now
I am happy with
Connect
that.
the other side of the resistor to the pretty.
Brown side.
Yes. Already.
I'm skipping
Always.
steps.
You're just skipping steps. You're skipping the teacher. I do that a lot.
Oh, they appreciate that all the time.
All the time.
Every teacher does.
Yay! Now you're done with the circuit stuff.
Wow, we have a circuit.
But now you have to do other stuff too.
No.
I'm sorry. So we're gonna do yours first. We have to
Okay.
program each one
Oh my gosh.
by doing complicated
Computing.
You have to
computer stuff.
watch the bombs.
You watch your language good, sir.
Be careful about
It's flashing ROMs.
Oh,
Oh,
Good catch.
God!
wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Point for me.
This
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
dangerous tool.
I think it's already deeply recognized. Sure.
So now the computer's talking to the Arduino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Is it? Yay, okay. Now it is,
Oh, it is
Done.
connected. Cool.
that is, now you gotta move. Now that's under there, so you can do you have warm fingers? I have
Yes.
cold fingers. So you're gonna have to hold that.
Okay. Holding.
Which one was it?
No.
Oh.
I saw a blink.
You saw it blink? Okay,
Yeah,
then we
it's
don't
good.
even need to.
It went do.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Yay! Yay! You're
So
already,
if you let
you're
go,
already
it's
there.
going to go back to do.
Oh, I need to.
It's just
let
gonna
it cool
go
down.
black. It'll go black. No, that was just a test.
Oh, gotcha.
And you passed. So you're good. So you're good.
Make it dance some more.
Okay, now you gotta program yours.
And what kind of program are you using to logic? What's the name of that program?
It's called Compost Center
It's
F12.
it's just
It's
comes
it's
with it.
Arduino.
Okay,
It's an Arduino.
so if you know Arduino, then you know how to do this.
Yeah, and Tashar made this
Okay,
program
Yep.
himself.
He said.
I don't.
so it's going to be about as
All
readable
I know.
as an engineer's work is readable.
Yeah, it's actually there's only like what, 8 lines. to
What?
it, so-
Okay, so
Yeah.
there's not much need for comments. Then. That's good.
All right.
Be nice
Do I need to
me.
hold it?
What's wrong? No, not yet.
It's got a yellow blinking light
I
on it.
was going to lend my heat.
How's it going?
We are going.
She's putting logic on our chips.
Awesome.
We're making the chip smarter.
My chip needs logic.
There you go.
Yay!
Are these Arduino Unos part of the Jameco?
Yay,
kits?
we're done. Now we need
No.
to
Okay,
lend
we're
the
good.
heat and
We're
hold
good.
that.
Just have this.
Excellent.
And the link.
Yeah.
But you gotta hold it for a while. The temperature slowly rises.
Are you connected to the computer?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can click on tools and do serial port.
Yeah.
And you can see what temperature is.
Oh, you can get the readout.
Yeah.
Is that based on the resistors readout?
Yeah. So I just calibrated it to Fahrenheit temperature scale.
What?
It could be.
And then the program logic is looking for, in this case, human, like a 74
like
degrees.
your finger temperature is different from your like conventional
Yeah.
temperatures. The finger temperature is a little lower. It's 95 or something.
Oh wow. And then elsewhere on the body, it's like in the 70s.
Yeah. I guess it has to do with thicker skin, so it's not.
Yeah. Whereas does the blood have quick access to the surface? So the back would be very cold. Because there's not many nerves. And there's
I don't know what the deal is, but
Well,
like
it's not.
I
It hasn't
was
been
surprised
leaking,
that
has
it set it at regular
Okay.
temperature, 98.7,
So,
and it
double
wasn't
check.
blinking. It's like, what's going on? So
Loaded.
I pulled up my thermometer and checked and checked what was going on.
should be blinking now.
And
Okay, let's start
turns out the finger
re-uploading.
temperature is different from
wow.
the rest of the body temperature. Like,
Are you ready to
check
learn
temperature
tech
now,
stuff?
it's higher.
Mhm.
If
She's
you,
been doing it.
she's been making solar robots.
Yeah.
All right. Wow.
And how come you said you didn't want to learn my techie stuff? Okay.
After I heard
She heard
robots.
robots,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I worked so hard on learning this. You have no idea.
I know, but
Actually, it didn't take me that long.
the,
But it's still,
It looks
it's
too-
a lot that counts.
it look, but it looks too much like you need to know more of the board than you do.
But I learned it in a
Nothing.
day.
It's
Oh my gosh, it's being difficult.
It's a dud.
Being
What are you
difficult.
saying on the computer? Is it giving you a temperature reader?
It's not.
They
It's
weren't able to
being
get the serial code.
difficult.
Okay, let me see.
Everything is being difficult right now.
Okay. let me
Yeah, he'll troubleshoot it.
see.
Yay, it's a shower with his computer magic.
And then do we have the circuit? Is everything connected the same way?
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at.
That one works.
Actually,
This
yeah, where
one
did mine
does
go?
not.
It's giving me trouble when
I
Oh,
was
okay.
trying
Looks
it out,
weird
but I
on
have
camera.
I have very.
Is it yours right here?
With Google Hangouts, you can actually switch to different cameras. Like if you have 3 USB cameras plugged in, you can switch to all the different ones.
Let's see what's going
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
So I hold it.
I got it.
It's rising, it's rising, it's rising, it's
Okay,
rising.
it should be blinking. It should
Should
be
be blinking. It should be blinking.
It could be maybe I
It is not blinking.
maybe I installed the LED backwards.
Not blinking.
It's not being nice.
What's going
Should
on?
we trade out
So-
the LED?
This is from the 12 pin.
Okay, this is the longer.
The longer
Capture,
is on the front, where the 12
cameraman,
pin's connecting.
Google effects.
And then negative is the
We
short
should
pin.
Going to the ground.
Going
It's right. It's
go
at
through
92
resistor to the
degrees.
ground.
I am hot.
Switch.
we should like
Switch the
give this
LEDs
some
on.
Sophia background.
Okay.
Sometimes they're rated for higher power.
We don't know if that one.
Oh yeah. Which
Well,
one's which?
No,
Well, that
those
works.
ones won't.
They weren't.
Small ones will work.
Okay.
I got the yellow one.
We use this one.
Okay.
Oh, we use this one.
The teeny tiny, this one should work.
They're working with the LED lights.
Adrian, what are you doing?
I'm giving the scene
Talking to my
to people.
viewers?
Yeah,
The play-by-play.
yeah.
Now he is entering in the new LED. Actually, it's supposed to be on the other side. The positive side.
Yeah.
Oops.
Stop it. You have to do it in a deep voice.
Like they
Say
do
it
in the
in
movies.
Hey, now, how you doing? Right over there.
No. Over here on the play-by-play.
There are like 18 people
Yes.
in this room now.
I know. How many people does it
You carefully putting it
Yeah.
in. It should be working.
That's something.
88, 89, 88. It's dropping. He let go of it.
We
Okay.
have a little
Okay, it's still dropping. It's still
Thermostat
dropping.
is connected, right?
The thermistor is being connected, right? As
Stuck
Josh
in a
has
me.
stated.
This is burned out.
I can tell you there's no
LED
place we can
The LED is not.
And this one doesn't.
Try that.
It needs high power.
Yellow one?
Yeah.
You're wondering why I'm saying
Why don't we use
Some-
mine?
Yeah, we'll just
Because
pop yours out,
on this
and we'll
camera,
burn your LED out on my
it looks
board.
like you
Thank you for donating.
You could just use the one that I use.
Which one was that?
That's the one that I.
They're still trying to make the LED light work.
Yes, and it's LED. It's for light emitting diode.
Boom.
Science.
That's why I kept saying.
She just smacked you in the face with science.
Okay.
There's a very.
It's like
Yeah, you're right. It's just like you said before. It's very hard to see.
Yeah.
It is just very.
In the dark, it would be great.
Yeah.
I like this.
Okay.
You wanna?
It is.
What?
It's being nice. Yay. Now you
Wait,
can
we're
turn the
gonna
lights
off now?
keep that connected. We're gonna. Yeah, lights out. Here's the LED working.
Yay, works! Okay, let's.
There we go.
That's because of the temperature. Oh, everything went. Never mind.
All right, lights
I was gonna say everything went blurry.
That's
Alert! Please turn on the light. Okay.
Yep.
Is this
Oh,
the 12
bright.
pin? This is the 12 pin. So you're
That's
gonna-
great. Yeah, the camera adjusts very, very slowly.
Okay, I've now transferred my LED that I use onto his. It should
Okay,
work.
great.
They viewers.
Okay.
Yay! 8 viewers. Hi, viewers.
8 viewers.
Yes, there's 8 viewers.
There was 14 when I came in.
Oh man, now
Wait,
there's
that's
7
one.
viewers.
Oh man.
Is
They
it
don't
you?
have
And
to talk.
are they using this one? Oh yeah, they are using this one.
Oh,
Position.
good also.
Gosh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I bet they're puking now. They're so seasick.
Okay. So what we should do is get back to the
7
project.
viewers, yay! I guess we're getting more funny. Get it? Funny. I don't know what I did there.
So was that the entire project?
No,
Is there more to it? Okay,
there
let's-
is more to it.
Let's do the final
Oh,
steps.
there's
You
more
gotta
science
use
stuff.
soldering stuff.
Oh my
You're gonna
gosh.
melt some stuff.
Oh, man.
You're gonna
I'm
melt
afraid.
metal.
Okay, so you guys,
Ow,
can you
it
move
fell.
your curtains over here?
Yep. Yeah. Let's move over here.
Move the camera.
Yeah, move the camera too. Okay.
Connected to. Oh, that's the wire. Oh no.
Next step.
Please don't drop that computer.
Next step.
Okay, so is this where the stuff is gonna be, or do I need?
Yeah, pretty much. Soldering, or do you have to cut that? Well, how deep do you want your compost?
Do we
Because
need
this
these?
part is gonna.
Yes. You
It's
do
going
need those,
to-
right?
What? Yes, you need your circuits.
Okay.
And this is yours.
Only 11.
Oh, this is the part that's sticking into the ground.
Okay.
This is what the thermistor is going to be sticking out of. So
Oh.
my little diagram here has no
Oh,
LED
gosh.
light right now, but
What's wrong with
oh
you?
god. Okay, see, see, it's going to be in a container like that, like a Chinese box, like
Okay.
that. Yeah, it's going to be.
Soup
The
kit.
battery is going to be in there, and then this is going to stick into the thermostat. So it's going to be measuring the temperature.
So wait, head us to show that again.
Really?
This is what's gonna happen.
Come on, man.
This is what's going to be measuring the temperature. This thing that is no longer. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
That thing's going to be measuring, and it's going to be sticking into the ground.
Okay.
There, happy?
Yes.
Okay. So, what you need to do is, how long do you want it? How long do you, like,
5 inches, 6 inches.
5 inches, 6
Yeah.
inches. Do we have a yardstick of some kind? I do
You know what?
There. I
You
thought
can
I saw a
use-
ruler somewhere.
You can use a dollar bill. Dollar bill is exactly 6 inches. You use part of that $10 that, that you're getting.
I haven't gotten it yet.
Oh, okay.
I can't give you 20.
Wow. Big money,
Whoa,
big money.
whoa, big money.
Yeah.
Big money now. Okay.
So that is 6 inches.
That's a quick way to do it.
June's hacksaw. I have to say that every time I use it.
Hacksaws are awesome.
So that's not going to work.
You need a cutting surface like this book here. Then
It's
you're
a
going to
library.
carefully
The library book.
not cut into the book.
Okay, okay. I hope not. How many viewers we got, Adrian?
I'll help you.
We got 9 viewers. Woo! They're coming back. They're coming back.
Okay.
Tell your friends. Tell your friends.
Had the kids had to watch. Okay. Okay, I'm not very good at it.
Yeah,
Use the muscle.
Start cutting lightly at first, yeah. And then it makes the groove.
Oh,
And then once the blade is fully into the material, then you can start cutting with pressure.
Use that. Okay. Use that.
I have
muscle.
hacked off the edge of a spoon before.
Wow.
Nice. That requires a lot of work.
Yeah.
Of course, I had help, but I still have.
Oh.
Lord, I wrecked it.
All right, I'll be back with the tool that will.
You're right.
Okay,
Is it
yeah,
burning?
help me. This is
Is it burning? What's wrong?
what?
It bent.
Oh.
It bends. I didn't say it burnt.
No, because you were touching it like it burned.
Because this is a very sharp edge.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well, not very sharp, but it's sharp enough to
Here we
cut
go.
this. This is very hard.
These titanium-coated scissors will cut through that material.
Titanium!
Yes.
I am titanium. Have you ever heard this song?
I haven't heard it.
You know I have.
Yes. I love it. I love it.
Wow!
Oh, nice.
Awesome!
Those are the best scissors you
Like
can buy.
paper.
Those are the awesome scissors. So this is yours. How long do you want yours to be? Because you
The
know.
Just straight.
Oh, okay.
We're easy to please.
Oh, okay, that's not going to be as easy. Hoo-ah.
Nice.
So now you guys have yours.
Yes, thank you.
This is your container, and this is your container,
Oh, Rizzle.
and your top,
What are you looking for?
top to his
And top.
container.
Oh, you need an extra top.
Because
Like
my
glue.
top already has like glue,
Hmm.
and I could rip that out, but it wouldn't be very efficient.
Hopefully.
There should be one more left. There should be at least one.
Well, we can do one for now.
Yeah, Brendan's fine. I can watch.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But you did all that work.
I know. That was the fun part.
Oh my gosh. But you won't get to solder, man. That's the really fun part. It really is.
Yeah, I
Like
was
the-
soldering all.
Oh, I can
David.
solder. It doesn't have to be purposeful.
That's true. Okay.
Who
Do
wants
you wanna
braces?
cha- Oh, yeah, you already have. Yeah. So, we're going to go ahead and turn this on and get it going.
Wow. It's a
Nice.
gas-powered solder.
Propane,
Amazing.
butane, one of the
So you
angles.
might
Just to
smell it.
inform the viewers,
Do not do
You-
this at home.
do not do this at home. One and two.
Do it in a ventilated surface because you will die. You'll run out of oxygen.
Yeah, so don't do it in the air duct.
Mhm.
Essentially,
Kids
don't
don't
do
do
it.
this at home.
And
Or away from
that's what we just said.
that. Okay.
And three,
So,
you won't
yeah,
see any
this
fire.
has gas
It's just
back
a very hot tip.
I thought that it was normal. Everybody's using it. It's like plug in.
Yeah, those are safer.
They are.
I have
yeah,
some.
they are.
They're just hot then. You just don't want to touch
And-
the lead to your skin.
And they're corded.
Oh.
Okay, so
That's how you know.
so that's heating up right now, and this is your pretty little pipe right here, and you're gonna need wire because
Okay.
you're gonna take out the thermistor
All right.
and you're gonna connect it to wires
Mhm.
so that it can stick into the ground. It could be deep enough to stick into the
We're
ground.
going to extend it. Okay.
Yes, extend it. Thank you. That's a much easier way to say it. This might be
I was going
longer.
to tweet it out.
It's actually longer.
See if I can get more viewers.
Where the wire?
Huh?
I was going to tweet it out and see if I could get more viewers.
No.
Oh,
it's not
I
it.
see.
The coil wire.
Up there.
Actually, I'm wondering if
No,
I can
no, that's
see
not
it.
it. That's not it.
Would you be able to grab those? No, those are thicker wire.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the right kind of wire.
These are not the right.
Okay.
They're supposed to be a little red.
Throw it too. It doesn't really matter.
Oh,
I just don't know if
well.
they're the right kind of wire.
why don't you go ask?
Sure. I want to do it on myself, man. Okay.
The baby is here. Oh.
What baby?
It was on. Oh, are those yours?
Yeah. I was seeing if I could see the.
Being checked online.
Yeah, I do animated videos. And then I do comments on the animations. But I don't see my live view. I don't know where it is. I don't know how to get the...
Did you pause it?
No, it's still going. I'm just trying to find the... link to the show or to the Hangout.
Yay.
Maybe I can get it off of this.
Invite people. Let's invite some people.
Not quite what I was wanting. Oh, I think I know where it is.
Wow, those are a lot of tabs.
I know. I am a tab. I'm ridiculous for tabs. There we go.
Okay, we found the wire.
Hi.
Just sit down and watch. Okay.
Oh, thanks for coming.
Oh, it was good to meet you. Oh, so sad.
I'm not disappointed or anything. Okay,
There
so
we go.
it needs to be a little long, so can you hold that?
And see.
And hold that against that. That. Pretty good. Just a little bit.
Let's use spelling.
Second one.
And we're just going to use that.
Trace that.
Okay, yeah.
How many followers do you have? Oh, I see.
Don't you want
Whoa.
subscribers?
On YouTube, I get a
Followers
lot more.
on Twitter.
Oh, you're on YouTube.
It has 4,000 and something.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Here's how many
So you're gonna strip a wire,
subscribers
not a
I
strip
have on
wire.
YouTube.
So
Whoa.
for this wire, it's
Yeah,
gonna be the smallest
Okay.
thing, and it's about it's a small size.
I started
Yeah.
making
It's
videos
like the very
and then
end
I
of it.
stopped.
Yeah, just use about
Yeah,
that much or less.
you have to be. You have to really want to do it
And
to
that
keep
you
it
do
up
both
for a
sides?
long,
Yes.
long period of time.
Both sides be trying.
All right, I'll now do this side.
La, 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 la.
Since you already know how to do it, so I don't have to explain to you.
First. Now I can do this one too.
Yeah.
Don't look, he's stripping.
Mom always does that when she strips a wire.
It's always a show. So now I have wire that's stripped on both ends.
Yes, that is what you
So
need.
I can run this through the tube now, right?
No.
Oh, not yet? Okay.
You have to now do
How about
the
you
fun
stop
part.
jumping ahead?
I know.
Fun part. Oh.
This wasn't a fun
Kids
part?
do not do that. Do this at home.
Do what? The soldering?
Kids don't do this. Don't do this at
Do
home.
what? The
don't talk.
soldering?
Yes.
Oh.
Don't talk at home.
Okay, so put that in there so it doesn't wobble. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna heat this beauty while.
Did you guys see the lights on the car?
No.
Oh,
Can
yeah.
someone please Google Hangout it?
Okay, go.
I can.
Adrian, go Google Hangout it.
Go
What's that?
now.
Okay, you know what? I got it.
Slow and careful.
We will resume
Slow and steady.
circuit.
We will
resume-
Oh Lord.
The lights on the car?
Oh, I know.
We will resume shortly.
Yeah.
The circuit thing. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here, let me hold it. Both hands. Where's the light?
Yeah, we got some running
Go
lights.
slow.
Oh gosh. Gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, ow. Oh no, the camera fell. The camera fell. I'm just
Yeah,
walk around.
I tweeted
Very little.
from our tweet,
Oh,
our Twitter
okay.
account.
Yay. Yay.
Yes.
Wait.
Yeah. Yay.
You might go to
Okay.
school.
Oh,
Aiden
okay.
goes to
You said that to me like 5 times already.
Oh, excellent.
Now we're going back to the
Circuit thing.
Yeah.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna drive them like through the hallway?
No, it's a soapbox. It doesn't have an engine.
No, you got to go on one of the hills that lead in the road.
I'm trying to come over.
Oh.
Jeff, can I get a picture with you?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Go back to the circuit. Okay.
For the soapbox.
We're gonna go back to the circuit.
Okay, let's.
You might know. That's straight if the car's going to roll me down.
Ask Mom.
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it.
Oh.
I'm about to lose control and I think he likes it.
We have 7 viewers.
Yeah, we had 9 viewers.
We had 9 viewers. Wait, we had 14, then we dropped to 9, then we dropped to 7, then we dropped.
We had 14, then we dropped to 6, then we dropped to 7, then to 9.
Okay, let me
And now we
adjust
dropped
this.
back to 7 again.
Oh.
I guess 7 is our lucky number.
Okay.
That's what we're
Now the
doing.
solder pad is so
It's very hot.
it's very hot, so it won't take that long.
Oh, the camera
I
loves
need
you.
to turn it back.
The camera loves you. Oh no.
Okay, I'm gonna watch them.
No, you're gonna do the other part.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay.
Always use
Wait, so
stand
did
and
we
putting it
start
down.
over again?
I think so.
What?
Well, no, it'll keep going.
How many viewers do we have now?
It
And that
doesn't
is the
say.
code.
It's not
They had to
showing.
restart.
And that's the coding, and it looks,
Shiny.
yeah.
You only do it on once.
You only do it.
Shut up! You're the only one who's ever called me out on that. Going through changes, man.
No, boy changes.
Okay. I'm gonna do the other coding on this part. So you're gonna do the coding on the pretty little furniture right here.
Oh my gosh.
I'll take it. All right.
Both of them are going to do the coding on that? Or just...
Well,
No, I'll let him do it.
are you sure?
I'm sure. I actually do this almost every day.
Okay.
What do you do?
I might stay in here for about 5 more minutes because I feel that I'm almost going to break something. I don't know what to do.
Why would you break something?
You're not gonna break anything. Just come stand by me.
Really? Come stand by you and all this bad luck I've been having? I might burn you.
Come stand by me when I'm not having sunshine.
I might cut you.
Just come stand by me.
I'll stand.
Oh,
That was gorgeous.
That was terrible. Okay. That's it. That's a good coding. I think.
That's a good
the end
coding.
of that coding.
Looks good.
That's a good coding.
What do y'all need the sponge for?
That's to protect pretty little blade that you just. So keep away from that black box. That just has pretty little X-Acto knives in it. I can cut you over and over and over and over. Okay.
So now I'm gonna need to put this in here.
Yes. Just put the round thing in it and separate it first. So now I'm going to coat each side. So just heat it up using this. Get
Okay.
up the wire.
And I'll
And
lose
then
you
use
now.
this. And just do your thing. Code.
Yep.
You want to see it?
No, I don't really care. Oh, cool, bro. I can't really see it. Code and stuff. Code and stuff. How come we won't show them how many viewers we have?
Because it restarted. The internet went out
Uh,
and had to reconnect.
yeah, this is sort of wonky.
Well, even worse than that, it's going through my phone.
Just move that.
Just keeps falling.
Come on, solder, work with
I think
us.
that's pretty good.
Now, stand up, because we're still going to use the soldering iron. Now,
What's it
we're going
called?
to do something.
What type of iron?
Soldering
Good for you. I used to call it soldering because it was spelled S-O-L-D-E-R.
Like a soldier.
Yeah,
Soldering.
Yeah.
soldiering.
But the L is silent in solder.
Okay, so this is how you're going to do the second part.
Okay.
Watch me through the magnifying glass. You are going to melt this and connect it.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
And
Wait,
you're
is
just, and it's sort of a two-person job in a way.
Oh, well.
That's what the helping hands
Heat
are
it
for.
up.
Carol.
Oh, don't heat it up too much. Yipe. Yipe. Yeah, right?
I'm in pain.
What
Okay.
So what we're going to do.
No, what you're going to do.
Yeah.
You. No. See,
Not me.
I did it wrong. You gotta hold this like that and hold the wire. Be nice and hold the wire.
Yeah.
Be smart and hold the wire.
Yeah.
And
Position that. Oh yeah, the wire. It's longer. The rubber will insulate from heat.
and if everybody will be happy.
I'll hold this steady.
And not burn. I told you I'm going to leave now.
Just don't leave it. You make things exciting. Okay, just gonna melt it since it's already unstable. No.
Maybe I should have put more tin. Oh yeah, that was very liquid. And
There it
one,
is.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And
Probably-
done.
Nice.
Doesn't take very long.
Fabulous.
Then you're gonna hit the other side.
It's like you've been doing this for over a day.
Maybe twice,
Should ask for a raise.
3 times.
Yeah, this is okay. Now you gotta try welding.
My mom is trying to sign me up for welding.
Really?
I huh?
Where's welding?
I'll show you when we get home. Because I have a table that my mom will.
Oh
And
wow,
it's really cool. It has
That's
like
awesome.
a sun pattern on it. It's in my room. I'll show you.
wonderful.
And
So
I'm not showing you.
well, I'm just saying.
Okay.
It's great that she gets to see it.
I gotta practice the piano. I already said that. Yep, that's
So are we done with the
stable.
soldering now?
Well, did he solder? Did he solder?
Probably not.
Thinking.
If he eats
If it's like that, it's,
No,
I'm not
you
gonna-
don't. Oh no, you don't. Or you use the
No,
gas
you don't
on
need it
it.
anymore.
Don't you use the gas to?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
The
You
shrink,
are so smart.
the heat shrink.
Okay.
You are so smart. Where's the heat?
Yeah.
So
No,
now you're
shrink
gonna
it.
cut this and just
Gonna shrink it.
Snippy
Gonna shrink it.
which keeps the two wires from
Are they even?
Touch it.
Oh wow.
Are they
so
even?
that just it doesn't really
They're long enough that they reach to the end of the red or the blue. Then. So it won't short circuit.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I'm a
How's
smart.
it going?
Pretty good.
We're assembling a sensor probe.
Now, I'm gonna hold
We're
this,
on air and lost our
and
viewers.
you're gonna use the heat
The internet
on this
went out.
wire.
What are viewers? We have viewers?
And you don't
Yeah,
Well,
have-
they're my
did.
channel.
We
They're
did?
my
Yeah.
channel.
Oh wow. Wow.
I think the max was 20.
Wow,
And
that's still a lot.
now it's not showing the viewers.
For the
No,
heat to
this
go
is already big.
up? Oh, there it goes. It's shrinking.
Now you have
These are a
that
hair
"I
dryer.
Stand by You" song stuck in my head.
I'll stand by
Oh man,
you. I'll stand by you.
sound like the Cowardly Lion when you do that. I'll stand by you. No. Did I say the Lion King? I meant Cowardly Lion. I, the king of the forest.
He's got that vibrato.
Yes.
You know, I take chorus and I don't know what they're saying. When you say vibrato.
Vibrate your voice.
Oh!
It's like what opera singers do.
Oh, yeah, that's like the only thing they do. It's how they're.
And sing high notes.
It's how they
Yay!
become popular.
Okay, so this is now done.
Yeah, you can turn it off.
Turn it off and leave it there. Hold up. Yeah.
Yep. Remove all that extra solder.
Oh, it's done.
It's like,
I'll just leave that.
Yep.
And take your pretty tube. Oh,
I am pretty, so pretty, I'm pretty.
You just want to do something.
Welcome to the Arduino Insane class.
This is just the comedy class.
Yeah.
The comedy and Arduino. This is where you learn how to do cool stuff and have some laughs while doing it.
Because we learned when we had 14 viewers and then they got down to like 6 that something was wrong. So
It was
I
the comedy
popped in.
portion.
never had two.
Well,
There it
six.
is.
And you just stick it in. Okay, but actually not yet. It's almost done.
And
You
then
gotta,
attach it to the board.
you gotta reattach it to the board, of course.
Okay.
Okay. This is where.
Between
Okay,
5
5
and
volts.
the 8
5 volts is that wire. No, that's not. Okay, that's 5 volts. There we go. That's 5 volts, and then this one is the A1.
So between 20 and 21.
Oh, they have numbers on them.
Shut up.
I was
You're not allowed to notice that.
I was informing myself that something's on there that I didn't see.
But why did you say? Why do I have wires?
No, I said, oh, they have numbers on them.
Oh, I thought you said one.
So now we can do
Almost.
this. There's another step.
Almost.
There is like.
Plug a battery in.
Oh, yes, there is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you also got to plug the battery.
Yeah, but not yet. That's
You
not.
use a knife. Kids also don't do this. at home.
A kniffy.
Don't make it too big.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm very difficult.
Got the viewers back.
Yay, we got 11 viewers. Oh my god. You got them.
And this
Hi,
it'll be
viewers.
sealed shut with pop.
Yeah. We'll seal around the edge.
Don't ever
Do
make
this
it
at
too
home.
big.
I keep on saying don't do this at home. Kids don't do this at home.
But I'm
Kids
saying
don't do this at home.
make it.
I'm accepting.
Do it away from
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You keep saying that main rule, but I'm the one that's saying all the rules that should be said on the sideline.
You're leaving?
Bye bye.
And bye.
Oh no, never say bye. Always say goodnight. Because bye means forever.
Or say break a leg.
And then if they do break a leg, that'll be ironic, right? Isn't that how you use ironic?
No, that'll be more of a coincidence.
It would.
I think she's right, yeah.
Well done.
No,
She
we
knows
had a
about the
conversation.
argument.
We had a conversation. Me and Josh had a conversation about the difference between ironic and coincidental. And he kept on saying no. That is coincidental.
So it would be coincidental that you say break a leg and then they broke a leg.
Yes, that is coincidental, not ironic.
Oh man.
Ironic is something more.
But Lauren said. Okay.
It's like rain on your wedding day. Isn't it ironic?
And that's
It's
just
ironic.
happenstance, actually.
Well then, what's her name was completely
But
wrong.
Lauren
Oh, yeah,
said.
the entire song is not ironic.
Exactly. It's
That's-
not ironic.
That's irony at its best.
Okay.
The entire song itself is ironic. Oh my gosh. That's very meta.
It is meta.
You're supposed to hot glue it.
I
Not glue
know.
it.
We have to. Oh, yeah, the battery.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
The battery's right
so-
here, or is there another battery over there?
I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
But yeah,
We're
we're just
gonna
gonna.
go ahead and heat up the hot
Okay. Also,
so that when we are ready.
I'll have it stand up so it's not touching.
How are we gonna be ready?
That's good.
Do we just
Okay, and
keep
we're
this
gonna
right
take
here?
this pretty little.
No?
Okay.
Are we gonna hook that up to there?
You have to put it right there.
Okay, good. That's a great way to
So
hold it
that
down.
won't fall.
Are we gonna hook that up
Yeah,
to there right now?
hook that up right there.
Okay.
And yay, it's on.
So we
That
have a
little
light.
green thing.
So
Hooray!
now I can go ahead and test this to see if it works, right?
Yeah. Now hold it.
Let's test
All right, I'm gonna touch
Yeah, your
the
battery.
It's gonna be
Yeah, hold
it.
it's gonna be very light.
Hold it.
And like- About 220 resistor will drop it just right.
It's blinking.
Yes.
Yay!
Yeah.
It's visible in the dark.
It's really hard to tell.
Not something.
Okay.
This is for nighttime composting.
Yes.
Right.
Send your raccoon outside, the one that has hands, because you can manipulate the electronics.
As opposed to the raccoon that does not have the hands.
You can't send a turtle.
Oh my gosh, how do you fit this in there? Okay.
Probably need a bigger.
Yeah, let's order some more Chinese.
Yeah.
I need some more hot and sour
That's
soup.
probably.
Actually, I think that's
Yeah.
egg George.
Oh.
It actually smells like it.
That's actually kind of gross.
It actually smells like it's weird. It smells like
I don't smell
wonton.
anything.
It smells like
You know
wonton
it's weird because I don't have. I have.
You don't have any prices?
I've got some colors.
I think it's actually the difference because you were able to smell.
So if you were smelling good, you could taste it. That's what I've always.
Oh,
If you were
That's
smelling good,
good.
yeah, you could taste
Is that a
it
project?
better.
That's
Well, I have-
really
This is the
How
best
do you make
electronics
this big?
conversation. Oh, it's all broken now.
Yeah,
Okay.
basically.
Oh man.
It's all right.
It's
It's all
like
right.
this.
Moving on.
You
Moving
know
on.
what? We're gonna take that off.
The show must go on.
See, it fits.
Wait for
But
the
you
glue
gotta-
to get hot.
Bottom part of the
Gotta
panel,
wait.
just like
You gotta put this in.
and then the LEDs can be. I just
I said, put this in.
and
Work with me.
A forceful voice always gets it.
Oh, this is working.
Yeah, that's not blue.
Don't. It has a warning that it says, warning, glue and nozzle can burn through flesh. That scared me when I read that.
This one says, oh yeah, this says hot caution will burn flesh.
Yeah,
it's an automated.
That's good. You got it.
It's weird though because I've actually,
Whatever I want.
I've actually
It's because the
like-
lid's upside down. There you go.
Okay, that works. Let's just.
Here, hold on. You're gonna detach all the wires again.
But yeah.
No!
Again, you've done it before?
Okay.
No comments.
I can't remember my body or 10 or might have been 50.
You know, if you have,
Cheap on
if you
Amazon.
have,
Yeah, let's position the sensor back there. Oh, you're gonna hot glue it.
Yep.
if you have,
And
you
hot
should
glue it
never
like
mess up the
by the room.
So I already have that. I already have the controller.
Oh, it's upside
You want-
down.
Yeah, upside down.
And I have-
There it is.
That's why I was asking about the
Okay.
laser cutters. I need to.
Just quiet.
practice.
I think I'm gonna do the front panel.
All right, hot glue.
So that
Hold
you
this.
And
Don't hold it at the root.
cut all the
Hold
holes.
it at the
Use the laser cutter to do all the holes.
Yeah.
And also to recess the diagram. And I'll probably do that.
It's a widescreen camera.
Oh, God. Okay.
My
It's going
hand
down.
is
Is it going through?
It's going through. So we're gonna do something.
Your hand is famous.
Really thinking
I don't
like.
What? You
What
you tried to pull the
And
top
then
away from me.
When you
So I was like, oh,
do
we play the game
whatever,
here?
the part you ground or whatever, like,
See, the hole is too big.
Yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah, yeah.
You heard that shut up, didn't you?
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
I don't
kind of
know
what
if
I
that
want.
would work.
Okay, now keep it there. Keep it there.
So you probably should like,
Hold that, hold that, hold that. I said hold that. Okay.
you probably should like try to Spider-Man that glue.
Okay, let's.
Yeah, it's like vice versa. Left is right, right is
Let's do that.
Well, hold up. I think
So
there's
you look
maybe
in
a
there.
piece of
It's like looking
plastic.
in the mirror when you're using Google Plus.
Where they
Stick
No,
it in.
let's Spider-Man the glue.
All right, then
Come
Spider-Man
on.
glue, but it won't work. So
I
this
didn't look too close, so I'm like, I don't know what I did
It
with
might
that.
will. We're going to Spider-Man glue.
won't work. It won't work. It won't.
There it goes.
If you cover it up so much, then it'll just see.
That is a really long stick of hot glue, by the way.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Is it hitting you?
No, the thing hit me.
Oh.
The glue
So you get both sides.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some candy work right now
All right.
by taking this.
Both in middle school.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Taking it right there.
It's like a patch.
Wait, what are we doing with that?
Make it waterproof.
There.
Airproof.
Now I have glue.
I used to show my kids how to do some soap.
No, I do too.
There's a horse.
Okay. So take. Now I got a hot glue bottle too.
You are a hot glue fiend.
Okay, oh, so you're not at the house, so we can go.
Yeah, middle school logo.
The hot glue spool.
Okay,
Stop moving the stick.
Oh, wow.
You're moving the lid.
Stop. Turn this way. Turn. I said turn this way. What was you?
Position.
Obviously, everything that I'm doing is wrong.
Obviously.
You told me to hold
Now
the stick,
patch
and that's
up.
what I'm doing.
Seal up the patch. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, we're putting that patch, attaching the patch.
Attach the patch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing it on
And that's a lot of glue.
All right.
Does that say three
Okay,
viewers?
now
Are we kicking
stop.
it with 3 viewers? Oh, it's 6.
Okay, now we're gonna use the helping hand, and we're gonna disconnect that.
We didn't do that last time, we did.
Yes, I did. Now we're just gonna keep that
Okay.
right there.
Dry.
Add a little
Going in.
more glue right here.
Which is brutal.
This-
It's like
This your computer.
40,
No.
40.
No, that's on mom's computer.
That's time you have to print out your code. to
Well, actually, it's
enter
Miles,
these.
but she's using it. Okay,
Like
so
40
that's
pages of
gonna
code just for like
stay-
Focus. Yeah.
stay like
that.
stay like that. Stop.
It's gonna keep pulling out.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
Oh, this thing has like everything on it. Same measurements.
Yeah, all different types of wires. I got one of those. They're pretty cool. Very
Put that right
cool.
there.
If I like use the wires on
And
it.
you're gonna flip this.
Is that your book? Yeah.
That's my library.
Your library.
I like you.
Oh,
I hate
because you know previous stuff that Josh just said. I thought that it was his.
Oh, you are.
So we're done then, right?
That's
We're
it.
done. We just have to
Pretty
reconnect the
much.
wires and
No, really, I
Plug
But
and
bam!
just
I'll take it.
add that.
Shazam.
that's
We
These
just
two
gotta,
wires.
basically, all we gotta do is wait.
Back to the board then.
Yeah, we just
Back-
gotta connect the 2 wires back to the board and then close it, and we're good.
And stick it in your compost.
Oh wait,
Oh, I-
do something.
Is this
We're gonna take this over here and reprogram it.
Oh.
reprogram. Why are we
So
reprogramming it?
that instead of blinking at human heat, it blinks at compost heat.
Okay, that is a
Ah.
bit. Otherwise, that thing's gonna be blinking all the time in there.
Yeah.
I think everybody in all jobs nowadays gets
Look
Click.
at these square LEDs.
Yeah.
Click.
Is
it?
We're using one of those squares.
Square LEDs.
I think it's the way.
Those are cool.
I think that's what people
Got a round.
everything for themselves.
So can we use the square LED?
No,
Yes,
don't mess with it. Don't
Don't.
mess with it.
I'm not.
So is it a good idea to have the battery and the computer plugged in? Uh-oh. Is it
Is this
dead?
plugged in?
It's dead.
Oh, I think we're out of juice.
Ask
Tashar, yes.
ask Tashar.
Wrapping up in 10. Okay.
Okay.
The Raspberry Pi.
We're wrapping up in 10.
No, I don't
Sounds
think,
good.
I don't think.
Right? That's 59.
I see electronics.
Okay.
It is getting late already.
Yeah.
So I was going to mention, I was talking to
Lord.
Tashar, I was
That chair get ya.
through the
That chair got
Facebook
it.
space,
Get ya.
we were contacted
See,
by
it's back.
Carolina
And I was holding on to the song.
Where Mother Earth.
So they wanted me to help them with their, like a kind of a farm head
Ew,
workshop.
your hands cold.
So as part of that,
You feel like a lady ghost.
I don't know what it's like to
Oh.
people for farmers.
It's alright, I
that
think
would look
it's.
interested in maybe programming or how to
Kind of like a mother ghost.
I don't even know what
A lady ghost. Y'all be not on my neck. Not on my neck. These are my arms.
Okay.
People don't realize they can
I guess you finished up without us.
I guess so. We'll have to do the braille another time.
The laser part was pretty cool.
That was the cool part, yeah.
No!
So it's
Don't do that. Oh my god, my middle finger.
I'm sorry. She slammed her middle finger.
and do an artistic
Door,
thing.
and now, like, the nail part is like, every nail part is like
Every nail part.
This
always-
is the space of part. Yeah. This is what an electronic shop.
You're like,
Oh, I wonder if you could see the laser.
Let's see our views. Oh, gosh.
We have 10 viewers.
We do. We hop back up. Are we just like going down and then going back up?
Why are you videotaping me? Get off. You have colder fingers than I do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
These guys are ridiculous.
We were born to be on the camera.
Call me crazy.
How good you call me crazy?
I didn't
It's like
say
you
a
have a
word.
camera.
I did not say a word.
I'm trying to warm my hands.
Why on my
I'm telling you.
face? Your fingers are always on my face.
Okay, warm on her arm. Your arm isn't
Yeah.
that warm though.
Well, your hand's still really cold.
It's squishy. Squishy, squishy. Pew, pew, pew.
Yeah, all mine.
You humor your
You
own
won't be able
self.
to taste the
I can humor my own self. All I need is
The
some
actual
duct tape.
sensor came undone.
All you need is some duct tape and a
So
wire
we'll just assume that it's
and a thing to connect the
2
motherfucker.
chains, 3 chains.
4 chains, 5 chains.
That's the one thing since I
Maybe
started
put a
going
little
to this
6
class,
chain in
I got
there.
dedicated time now. I know when I'm
We're
there, I'm
doing
gonna
last
be
step.
working
Oh.
because other people are doing it.
The computer ran out.
It's time to get backwards.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. The guys
Oh, wait,
We were
wait,
just
wait.
on camera.
I wasn't even letting myself.
And
I'm touching me because she
I remember my hand.
So she touched it on my face and my neck.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta use the
Yeah.
It's giving me a negative
He didn't probably know what.
Yes.
You have 4 hands. Yay!
And it goes from there
No,
to
it
the.
It's cold. It's weird.
It's cold in this room. Like, once I came in here, it was like,
So we
why
can
is
be
it cold in
connected
here?
Yeah, you're fine. Okay, you can be connected like 77 degrees.
Oh, that's great.
Is it working?
Oh, is that why you put your sock on your hand? I didn't know why you had your sock on your hand, but you were taking pictures with it.
It's a vital mass.
Okay.
We had a blinking. We had the lettering.
Blinking? Is it blinking?
Yeah,
Oh,
I can see it.
Oh, it's blinking. Yay.
I can barely see it.
Okay.
Uh,
we need to replace
That's
it
not
for
Kind of.
kind of, but not.
We need to get the better LEDs.
Yay! Use the little square one.
She's obsessed with it.
Because it looks so cool.
Yeah.
There's some that are
I
like.
bet we will have like 21 viewers
Awesome.
to use the square.
Really?
That's what the problem is. All right, I'm gonna sign off. Yep. Thank you guys very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that was really cool.
I learned something.
This is the crew, the build crew. Well, guys, that was the hack night. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I'm gonna sign off and see you guys next week.